Restart, redefine, and recreate. All you gotta know is we back at zero. We back at zero. Restart, redefine, and recreate. All you gotta know is we back at zero. We back at.
Wow. Old supply, new demand, back to a supply. But the supply now is here to here. Drag this further to the right and bring this further to the right. Right, this is our supply. Did price ever come back to this? Because this is what I want to sell from. Bam! Supply, drop. I mean, we can go check this stuff down here too. It's the same. Look, got a big push to the upside here. Demand. Price came back into it. Stop loss go below here. Get your pips. This is the year that you get to get your prize, whatever your prize is, man. But this is a beautiful thing. And the market does the same thing over and over. It does a lot of movement to do fake outs. Now, here's another one. Like, okay, why did this push up? Like, right? If we have to ask ourselves, why did this push up? Well, it's very simple. We have demand. Oh, it didn't reach it. I wonder why. Expand the chart, look straight to the candles. You have a fair value gap right above the demand zone. And just drag it to the right. Bam! Price came in here. Same thing, stop loss. Entry at the top. You can put the stop loss below the demand zone or below the fair value gap. Since it's a volatile pair, I'll just put it down here. I'll go with 20 pips. What do I take price to? Oh, let me go back. Boom. Right here. But wait, Keith, you said that it gotta be 3 or more candles with an aggressive push. You're absolutely right. But what price did when it didn't reach up there, it created another demand zone. So what does that mean? Well, it's another place. We can mark across. Look here. Here's the actual supply. Easily. Let's just say we did stop it. Oh, well, let me go here first. Boom. Right? We got the demand zone that was created. And we know that price is going to push up again. And it did.